Welcome to AssistFlow product demo. I am Karan and in this presentation I will show you two things. Number one, we will create an AssistFlow custom AI agent for a dummy business live. Not just that, I will show you the entire backend and how does the AssistFlow dashboard and everything look for a real existing live business. So we'll do these two things in this presentation together. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Let's imagine there is a business called Surf Excel Dental Clinic. This is a completely dummy business which I have created just for the sake of this presentation. What I will do is I will add these following details and I will use these details to create a custom bot, an AssistFlow bot for this business. Just taking you through the basic details, let's say this is a dental practice based out of Mumbai. I have selected a random location from Google Maps. It's a shop right outside CST station. I have given basic details about the services, very basic details about the clinic, who the founder is, the address, consultation fee, the fact that walk-in is available, and a phone number. So these details I will use and show you how you can create a bot for yourself for this business. The first step to create the bot is go to the AssistFlow website, which is assistflow.in. Click on Get Started. It will take you to a sign up page. So this is what the sign up page looks like. All we have to do is add some basic details about our company to create an account. Let's say this is Surf Excel DC. Email address, let's add bot @surfexceldentalclinic.com. Phone number, I'll add my phone number for now. You can set a password to your liking. This will be completely encrypted and only you will know it, not even us. Agree to the terms of service and privacy policy and just click on sign up. It will take you to the login page. Now simply add your login details which you just created, and this will take you to a dashboard where you're now creating your bot. So now you are on this page on the dashboard where you will create and train your own bot. Your account has been created. So I'll enter the company details. Surf Excel Dental Clinic. Click on continue. Now this is where you define your bot. So let's add a short intro about the company. Let's add these basic details. So I've just added some very basic details about the company. Anybody can write this in like 30 seconds. Bot behavior is what do you want the bot to do? Let's say I want the bot to manage sales. I want the bot to be friendly. Initially, let's say traffic will be low. And I want the bot to give detailed replies. Length of replies means do you want the bot to be just to the point, very short, medium, or really detailed? Initial greeting message. I'll show you what this is. Right now I'll add, hi, I am Karan. How can I make you smile today? Continue. Now this is training data. Here what you have to do is if you have any PDF document, a website, a landing page or something which you want the bot to crawl itself and learn all about your business. Many businesses pre-existingly have websites, other documents which contains their data. Now social media links don't work over here, so just be mindful of that. Now for this exact same purpose, what I have done is I have created a dummy website for this business, Surf Excel Dental Clinic. This is the website. As you can see, there's a lot more data on the website as compared to what I've given the bot. I've only given the bot this much data till now, right? As you can see, like I said, the website contains a lot more data. It has more details about the service, things which were not even mentioned over here. About the clinic, the team, where you can find the clinic, all these things are available on this website. So what I'll do is, I'll copy the URL, I'll give it to my bot as a training data, and I'll finish setup. It took a few seconds and your bot is ready. This is how your backend dashboard will look like. Now let me take you through the entire dashboard. I'll explain you what everything is, how everything works for the dummy business that we used, Surf Excel Dental Clinic. The default page is the home page. Here you will see some basic analytics. Once actual traffic starts coming towards your bot, may it be on WhatsApp or may it be on your website, this dashboard is going to be incredibly helpful for you. It will show you how many conversations have happened, how many were unique, how many open tickets are left, things where you need to go back to and reply yourself, how many problems were resolved, how many problems have been resolved, everything over here which you need to know to manage the bot well. You will see all those analytics here. Now the very first thing which I want to show you is this functionality which is called test bot. Now this is a simulator. How your bot will actually interact in real time with actual prospects, customers, whatever. You can check, see for yourself over here and only deploy the bot once you're satisfied with the way it's answering. So it's literally no risk. Let's ask the bot something. Okay, this is how the bot will actually behave. On your website, so even on the website or WhatsApp, it will say the bot is typing and then these answers will come. Remember, during bot training, I added this as a greeting message. So this is what it is. This is a greeting message. The bot will always start the conversation with such a note. Let's say, tell me about the business. So now you can see it is giving the person basic details about what the business is, what they provide, even their location, what services they offer. All these three services was there: whitening, braces and extractions. Now something about the team, that the team is dedicated and they have over 10,000 happy customers, overall 4.9 star rating. So the bot is really smart and it actually knows what data will be useful for what kind of query. See? Now remember, I trained the bot to generate more sales. So any question that it will ask, any CTA that it will give, it will always be trying to get consumers to maybe book an appointment or actually go and walk in. So let's ask it some other questions. Who is the doctor? So this detail was mentioned on the website. This was there on the website and I did not even provided that on my document. It was fetched from the crawling feature that we have given to the bot. So you can see Tanisha Agarwal is the founder, the doctor, the qualification, their experience and everything, and the bot has just given me all of that. Cool. Let's say how much is the walk-in. So we have designed this bot very closely, working with actual business owners and their marketing teams to understand what kind of queries and questions these businesses get in general. And the objective and the real goal about making this bot was to reduce dependency on either the founder, the business owner, or their sales team. So whenever an established business hires a dedicated customer support staff or a sales team for this, you first of all have to find the right person, train them, and after a while, the person you have trained very well, now you're dependent upon them. If they leave, now suddenly a lot of leads will go to waste. They will take some business away. There's always a problem of people referring or diverting leads from one place to the other. So all of these problems, AssistFlow bot can actually solve for you. And even the business owner, the founder itself. What we have noticed is a lot of business owners tell us that, okay, we get 500 messages a day, 200 messages a day, 50 messages a day or whatever, and this bot actually makes me filter down and only talk to the people who are actually worth talking to. So now rather than spending 10 hours on my phone, I only have to spend 45 minutes and all my business is intact and I can focus on other things. So these are the problems that we actually wanted to solve, and this was our objective when we started AssistFlow. So you can see the consulting fee is 250. Now let's ask a strange question. Why is it so high? Other doctor charges 150. I can go there. Let's see what it will reply. Even I'm curious. Our consultation fee reflects the premium care and advanced technology we use along with the experienced team. We aim to provide a comfortable and thorough experience for our patients. If you are looking for quality care and lasting results, it will be worth considering. Let me know if you have any other questions. So this is bang on. So you don't even have to teach how to reply, what is the right thing to say. The bot is going to be really smart, and we keep improving our bot, the algorithm, the machine learning system behind it on a regular basis, so that with the time your bot will even keep getting smarter and smarter. So only when you're satisfied with how your bot interacts, you can finally choose to deploy it. Let me take you through some other places as well. So after a while, let's say in one day, 20 people started a conversation with your bot. All the logs, every single conversation will be recorded here. After a little while, I'll show you exactly how it looks for a live business, and I'll take you more details what everything is and make you understand over there. So all the bots you will be able to track here. Just one small note, any conversation, let's say the bot feels now a human is required over here to convert this person or to coordinate for a meeting time or anything. That is something what we call a ticket. The bot automatically creates a ticket for you to take care of and handle on the back end. Let's say if bot is not able to answer a question, let me show you. Let's ask the bot something which it's not trained on. Let's say I've not given it the data. Are you opening another clinic in Pune? I heard. Now the bot has no idea about this. So it will say, I don't have that information right now. Right now we are currently based on our Mumbai, and you can tell I need to speak to a human. So what the bot does is, it will very smartly create tickets on the back end. There's another feature called human handoff. I'll get to that a little later. But now he will create a ticket on the back end, and you will be able to see all of those here. So now you can see that the bot has actually created a log. Generally, the bot creates a log for every conversation. But however, since this test bot is not actually deployed right away, so it will only create logs and tickets for the ones which actually either the bot can't answer, or the person specifically asks for a human intervention. Now, you don't need to read through the entire chat. The bot provides a basic summary. As you can see, the patient asked whether the clinic is opening a branch in Pune, and it basically just summarizes the entire chat with you. Now, as the conversation progresses, the person asks to speak with a human representative. So, in very short, in 15-30 seconds max, you will be able to tell what happened in the conversation. Now, this is another feature that we have, which is called customer grading. Now, the bot basically categorizes the customer on a score from 1 to 10 in order to tell you that, okay, these are the highest potential customers, so talk to these people first, and these were like basic queries, informational ones. So it will even give it a tier or a indexing, numbering you can call off. You can find these important tickets in the support section under this ticket button. They will be there in the chat log as well. Every single conversation will be there, and specifically the ones which are tickets you will find over here. And you can even change their status. Let's say this is a pending. Karan, you answer this. You can even make notes and everything, so you can manage every single thing which is going on. So right now this is a pending status query. Again, you can read the summary over here, very short summary. There are comments mentioned from your internal team. So that feature is always, so this feature is also there. I'll talk about the human handoff feature in a bit. I'll actually show you in real time how it works. So right now I'm skipping it. Just to give you a short meaning of what this is a lot of times people will say, let me talk to a human, and a notification will go to a certain number, and the message will say, okay, a person wants to speak to a human right now, are you available to chat or not? A lot of time business owners are free, or the support staff has some time that they're like, I'm available for the next half an hour. If somebody wants to talk, I would rather take it myself. So you can go to setting and you can add a notification number. Let's say I add my own number over here. So what will happen is, anytime a person says I want to speak to a human, it will give me a message on my WhatsApp saying that the person wants to speak. Click on this link and continue the conversation. So now what will happen is, if you take over the conversation, it's called handoff. The AI will shut itself and you will take over the entire chat, and you can start chatting from then on. You can say, okay, hi, I'm a human now, tell me what you want. So you can take over that conversation. That's why it's a feature called human handoff. So these things I've already taken you through. Campaign feature is a really interesting feature. I'll in short summarize what it means. Let's say you're running meta ads for your business. On meta ads, as you know, there is a lead form feature. Either through your website you're capturing a lead, or through meta ads, or through any other campaign for that matter. If you have a Google sheet or something where you have captured all these leads and you want your bot to start talking to them, start initiating a conversation, you can create an outreach campaign over here. Let's say you were hiring for a marketing manager for your business. You ran some ads, you did multiple campaigns, and now you have 200 people to talk to. You want the bot to ask them certain questions and filter all those 200 people. You can create an outbound campaign over here. Click on start campaign. You can say filter marketing manager candidate June 26. Let's say that's what you want to name the campaign. What do you want the conversation to achieve? I want you to filter 200 candidates and ask them a few standard questions like, why should we hire you, and what is your expected salary package. Let's say you don't even want to talk to somebody who is having an expectation of above 1 lakh, or you don't want to talk to anybody who says that I have an expected salary package of 25,000. Let's say you're judging people on the basis of that. So you can tell it that these are the things I want you to do. Who are the leads? People who applied on LinkedIn for a job opening at Dental Surf Excel Dental Clinic for marketing manager job. So you give the bot all the context you need. How do you want it to talk? Let's say be very formal. So product or offer means if there's any particular product you want the bot to talk about or sell or generate demand for, that is what it is. Product or offer, you can say marketing manager job opening. Now these are more things you can add. What do you want the bot to find out? Let's say their location. If the person is available to join right away. How many years of experience they have, and let's say have they worked with a dental clinic before? If yes, which one? Let's say these are the things you want to know about all of them. So you can tell the bot what you want it to do. Continue. Now this is another feature which we have added. How long after a person lands on your sheet, on your Google sheet or Excel or whatever it is, how long after that you want the bot to start messaging them? Let's say you want it to be after 2 hours. For now I can do immediately also. I'm sure you understand that it's a very common fact in marketing that the earlier you respond to a lead, the higher chance it is of converting. And I think after just 1 hour or 2 hours, there's an analytic like that there's a 73% less chance of you converting that lead. Please verify the fact. I might have been mistaken about the exact number. So let's say I want the person to contact the person immediately, and I'll go to create campaign. Now this is a snippet which you can use and attach to your Google Sheet, and every single lead on your Google Sheet will start getting contacted by the bot. I'll even show you how that works. I'll click on copied snippet. So this snippet is getting copied. I'll create a Google Sheet. I'll create a blank sheet over here. Let's say you have a sheet already which people were capturing data from. I'm sure when you run a meta ads campaign or something, you already have a properly structured column created by sheet, but I'll just create a very simple sheet over here right now just for the sake of this presentation. Let's say serial number phone number, email address. Let's say we have this very basic sheet, marketing manager job at Surf Excel Dental Clinic Leads. Now how do you attach this snippet? Now what you have to do is you have to go to extensions, click on apps script. A new tab will open up. You don't need to worry about what's all there. Delete all this and paste your snippet. That's all you have to do. Click on deploy, new deployment. Here go to select type and select web app. If you want, you can write a description or everything and you can just click on deploy. So now this app script project will get saved automatically. That's all you have to do. Not a very complicated process. Next, click on authorize access. In case Google gives you a warning or something that this is something new that you're doing, it's completely fine. Go to advanced and click on go to untitled project. That happens sometimes because you're doing such a thing for the first time, so Google's security thing might ask you, okay, are you sure you know what you're doing? Now then click on continue. Whichever email ID you're using to create that Google Sheet, try to do it from that email ID itself, and now this is ready. Your deployment is done. Just click on the done button and you're done for now. So now, anytime a new lead is added over here, any column is updated, your bot will automatically start reaching out to them and start initiating conversation, and you've already told the bot what the purpose of all of that is. Right now, since this bot is not deployed, it's not connected to any WhatsApp number or anything, so I can't really show you how it works, but this is the entire process. Click on done and your campaign is active. So anytime the bot is messaging people, new leads are coming in, you can check it all out here. You can click on open, it will give you the entire update, what's happening, how many messages have been sent, what the goal was, everything is over there. So you can edit, pause, delete, you can do whatever you want. So this is an outbound campaign feature. Now the interesting thing over here is a lot of times business owners have a particular process. Let's say if you are selling a marketing service and somebody asks how much does social media marketing cost. Now a particular business, let's say, have a package that they already have created, or a certain business might say, okay, we don't know, there's no fixed package, it's custom, and we want to know more about your business first before you give you the answer. So that's how, let's say, you sell your social media marketing service. What you can do is you can teach the bot all of that, how you sell, how you should sound. When somebody asks for this, always reply that. Imagine you're training your sales team. You can do all of that with the AssistFlow bot. Go to train bot. Here you will find two things. One is your knowledge base. Knowledge base is what the bot knows about your business already. So a lot of this we either gave it through text or the bot crawled the website and all of it data is, you can see it's here. You can literally change it also. Let's say down the line you change your walk-in fee from, let's say now, okay, from 250 to 300, and you are not open on Sundays anymore. Cool. I can save it. Just one thing before we move on, the bot has picked up the opening time and walk-in fee from multiple sources. It was mentioned at multiple places on the website, so you can change it everywhere so that the bot is not confused. Let's say I do it 300 over here. I can do Control F, 250. Okay, there's another 250 here. I can replace it with 300. I can replace this with 300. Let me see if Sunday is written anywhere else. Okay, here also Sunday is written. Since the bot has crawled the website through HTML code, so that's why there's multiple places the same data is. But when you create the knowledge base and manage it completely yourself, you can manage these things. And in fact, you can even clean all of that. If you remove all these, the bot still knows everything. So you can even do proper cleaning and everything for the data. I'll click on save. Now the knowledge base has been saved. Let's go back to test bot. Ask how much is the walk-in fee. See, the walk-in consultation fee is now 300. It's that easy to change the bot. Literally, you can teach it anything. Is it open on Sunday? So unlike any sales team, it doesn't forget, but it's closed on Sunday. Cool. This is just one feature. You can update the bot's knowledge through the knowledge base. Or you can even train the bot. Now this train your bot feature is exceptional in my opinion. Let me show you how it's done. Let's say when I ask the bot, tell me about the founder. This is what the bot tells me. And I want the bot to not, let's say, talk about which college Tanisha Agarwal, Dr. Agarwal graduated from. So what I can do is I can go to train bot. I can start a training session. It will take a few seconds to get started. So the session is live. What you can do is, if anyone asks about the founder, no need to mention that she graduated from this. People don't care about it unless specifically asked. So you can literally talk to the bot as if it's a real human right in front of you, and you can teach it. Okay, hey dude, this is something you don't do right. Or whenever people ask this, don't do that. Or you're getting extra friendly on this particular question. Or don't say, how are you doing bro? Never use words like bro. So you can teach these things to your bot. Yeah. So the bot will say, I've understood. It has noted your training instructions. In case if ever the bot is glitchy, because right now when I was recording this, the bot was glitchy. It automatically shut down the training session and started again. So I had to send him the message one more time. Anytime you're facing such issues, this help number, do you see? This is the help number of our tech team. The head of our tech team, you can contact this number and he will personally sort out anything that you are facing issue with. The name of this guy is Adarsh. Feel free to bother him as much as you want. So you can end the training session like this. You can teach it multiple things. You don't have to end it after every one input. The bot will even tell you that this is what I've learned. So the bot has learned the customer support assistant should not mention founder's graduation detail unless specifically asked. So this is what the bot has learned. You can ignore all this. This is more of a coding language. And you can approve. Okay, you've understood it right. After you have approved it, the bot has understood. Now let's test this functionality, shall we? Tell me about the doctor. Let's see what it says. So this was that simple. You can train your bot about anything and the bot will learn. In case ever the bot gives you any problem, you can reach out to the tech team and we will manually sort it out for you. One more thing I'll show you, products or services. This is another functionality that we recently added. Let's say if you are selling marketing services or you are selling a particular product, whatever you're selling, you can create the products or services manually over here. You can add a picture to it. You can say, let's say, Tata salt. Let's say you're selling salt. You can describe it whatever you want. Let's say the price for that is rupees 49 and this is in stock. You can add such product and services and the bot will know about every single thing. So people, if somebody asks, okay, do you have salt available? It can say yes, it's for 49 rupees. Now if you have a Shopify website, you can sync it all from Shopify itself in one click. You can connect your Shopify store from the integrations button. I'll take you through it in a second. Connect your Shopify store and click sync from Shopify. The bot will automatically learn about all your products and services. If you don't have a website, you can create all these products and services manually. from the backend. Simply integrations feature, we keep adding more and more integrations. If you have a CRM that you're using, or if your internal communications are on Slack and you want the notifications or handoff feature to imitate you on a Slack, you can do that. If you have HubSpot connected, or you have a Shopify website connected to your store, or if you want the bot to start booking booking appointments connected with your Google Calendar, it can do that as well. All you have to do is just connect these integrations, and we keep launching more and more integrations with time. So in case you see a lot more of these when you actually test the product, don't be surprised. Finally, I'll just take you through a couple of things. Pricing. We have priced the bot in a very flexible manner. You can start by purchasing a plan for just 250 conversations, which is like less than 10 conversations a day. If you just want to test it out, or you don't get as many queries, it even gives you how much per conversation it will cost you. Now you can see how smart the bot is, how much training you can give, how much context it has, and every single conversation it's just costing you 6.67 rupee, and that's it. So up to 250 conversations, this entry level plan is going to be active. You can move to a bigger plan, which is a starter plan for 1000 conversation. It costs you 5 rupee per conversation. You can move to the growth plan. It's going to give you 2000 conversations for 94999, giving you 4.75 rupees per conversation. And if you need even more than that, if you have much more requirement, you can contact us and we'll talk to you and we'll manage your plan accordingly. One last thing, if you want to change anything about integrations, okay. One last thing, I'll take you to the profile section as well. These are very basic details. If let's say you want people to know your organization by Surf Excel Clinic, you can change that. You can write more about your company over here, give it more data. Contact email, if any time somebody asks for a contact information or email address, you can have it here. Contact email is the email you use to create the bot. Which email ID you use to create the bot, that is over there. You can change your password. You can manage your bot. You can give it a name. Let's say the bot is Karan. You want to change the bot from friendly to professional to casual. Now a lot of traffic is coming. You want to change it to medium. You want to change anything about the bot. You can do all of those changes over here. Remember the crawling website we gave it? You can even give it more websites to crawl, more documents to go through. This is a system prompt. You can ignore it. Now your bot will be naturally deployed at multiple places. So if you want a warning message, this is a message which is shown before a session is timing out. Let's say if somebody was talking to the bot and hasn't responded for a few minutes. Now what do you want the bot to say? The bot can say, hi, you're still there. You can customize those messages as well. And if somebody doesn't respond, even after a while, what do you want the bot to say when the conversation ends? You can make the bot say, hi, I'm closing this conversation. It was nice talking to you. So you can save these things and the bot will act accordingly. This is another feature about external APIs that we have integrated in our system. If you have any external API which you want AssistFlow to have access of or connecting, you can do that here. Let's say you are a transport company and the bulk of inquiries that you get is people asking, where is your package? How much time it will take to reach? So what you can do is, let's say if you're using Delivery on the backend as a delivery partner, you can connect their API over here, and the bot will actually be able to fetch details from Delivery's backend and tell the consumer saying that, okay, your package has reached here, it will take one more day to reach to your place. So now I've just given you one example of external APIs. You can connect many external APIs through here. Just one small note, we are actually a startup. We are slowly and steadily growing. So anywhere, anytime you face an issue, something is not working right, please contact the help button. We have not given you any email address or any waiting thing on purpose. Anytime you have a problem, just send a message on WhatsApp or call at this number and we'll help you out and sort out whatever problems you're facing. So this is the AssistFlow bot. If you want to see how the backend looks, these things look on a live bot, you can see that here. Right now, just small conversations we had. one customer had 3 times conversations and opened 2 tickets, you can close those tickets from the support section. Let's say all these things are closed. Done. You can see that resolution rate is now 33%. So all these things get updated automatically. That's all for this presentation. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. We hope we serve your business and you very well. If you have any questions regarding the bot, have any concerns, you can talk to our sales team. You can find their contact information over here. This is the contact information of our sales team. More details are available on our website as well.